Hello and welcome to the IT Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use text boxes in Microsoft Word. This is a simple but powerful tool that will make your Word documents look more professional and better organized. With text boxes, you can place text anywhere on your page. It gives you more flexibility than regular text. So how do we insert a text box in our documents? The first step is to click on the Insert tab and then move on to the right side and select Text Box. Now, when you click on the text box, it gives you some predefined text boxes. But for this tutorial, we're going to use the simple text box. This is the basic one. So let's click on it and it brings the text box into your document. At the moment, it contains some random text, but let's type in some text of our own. You start typing. This is text that I want to use. Okay, now that we have our text box right here with our text in it, we can also decide to format this text box. To format it has to do with changing the appearance. To do that, we click on the text box to select it, and then we go to Format, the Format tab. And then let's see what we can do here. Shape styles. You click on this button and there are lots of formats in here already made. So you can just hover around till you get the one that you like. Supposing we pick this one. I like this one. You can also decide to give it an outline. So you click on here, outline, and let's select an outline color. Let's take red. The outline is there, but it's a bit faint. I want it to be a little thicker. So I go on to shape outline. Then I move on to weight. Weight is where it can get thicker or thinner. So you can see it here. I want it to be this. Okay, this is okay. So that is that. And then you can also highlight the text or select the text box and change the font, just like you would change your regular font. Okay, so that is that. We have formatted the text box. There's something else we can do. We can modify the layout. The layout has to do with how the text box relate to other text that are on the document. So let's say I move the text box. You see it, I move it. You see it's pushing the text away. So let's drop it here. So we can control how it relates with the other text. So let's click on this button here. This is the layout option. So we move on to here. This is top and bottom. So I click on it. You see that the text is on the top and the bottom. Text box is placed in between, in case you want your document to look like that. The next one is behind the text. See, the text box is behind the text. That is not very useful. So the next one is in front of the text. It's also not too useful because it's going to cover the text. You can see it. You see it covering the text. So let's change it now. We can make it, the most practical one is the square. So we click on square and it's like this. So when you move the text box to any part of the document, it's going to create a square or some square space around it. Or you can also put it down here or to the left. It looks like what you find in the newspaper or magazine. So some extra text that has the flexibility of being moved all over your documents. So like I said, the text box gives you a lot of flexibility. It is not only text that you can place in the text box. Let's say you want to put a picture or an image somewhere on the document. You can put the image inside this text box. Let me delete the text here. So I can click inside the text box, go to Insert, Picture, and select a picture. Insert. You see that it has been brought here. The picture has been brought right here. So I resize it and I can decide to move the image to any part of the document. And so that is it. Text boxes can really level up your Word documents. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the IT Academy for more Word, Excel, and PowerPoint tips every week. And do you have any questions? Drop them in the comments section. I'm here to help.